Welcome back children. Yes, today we will start that is 4th standard maths, that is the measurement length. So this is a continuous session, that is session 3. Yes, so in before session, so last class we learned here the addition of length. Yes, you already learned about that. Yes, today we will discussion the topic that is subtraction of length. Okay, here is the student. In this subtraction of length, subtraction of length, so they can be mentioned here. So how we will be subtract, so the length how we will be subtract. Yes, so one of the example they can be given here. Yes, we'll do this example. No, Rajni has to thread beads for a length of 45 centimeter. She has already threaded the beads for the length of 32 centimeter. What is the length of the thread not filled by the beads? Find out. Yes, what they can be given here, see students, the length of the thread. So Rajini has to thread beads. She is threading up beads for a length is how much, that is 45 centimeter is there. Okay, she has already threaded. How much she threaded here? So she threaded the beads length of here 32 centimeters. So how much she threaded? 32 centimeter. So what is the length of the thread not filled by the beads? How much length is there? That thread is not filled by the beads. Yes. So here the length of the thread to be filled in the centimeter, the measurement of the length is subtracted in the same way as the subtraction of numbers. Okay. Total length of the thread, how much is there here? Total length of the thread is total length of the thread is 45 centimeter is there. Okay, 45 centimeter. Yes. So the length of thread already threaded. The length of already threaded. The length of already threaded. How much is there? So threaded length is how much they can given here? 32 centimeter. Yes, what we will do here? Totally how much is not filled by beads? Yes, so here remaining length of the thread. Remaining length of the thread. Remaining length of the thread is how much? So now what we will do here? We will subtract now. Okay. So Rajini has to thread how much she already filled with 45 centimeter. So not it is thread beads length is total 45 centimeters. She already threaded 32 centimeter. What is the thread length that not filled by the beads? Remaining thread, what it is there? So we will calculate here. We will subtract now. Okay, centimeter as is measuring that one. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 3 is 1. So that is remaining length of the thread is how much is there? 13 centimeter. Yes, understood this one? Yes. So next one they can be given here. See in the figure, in this they can be given here one of the figures. See here and see this figure. So see the figure. So here see Gauri is drawing a figure Janapada style on a wall. She is drawing. How it is she drawing here? Janapada style. She is drawing on a wall, which is 5 meter 50 centimeter in length. Okay, it's a 5 meter 50 centimeter length. So on the first day she draws the figure of length is totally 2 meter 20 centimeter. First day she drawed. Okay, second day how do you find the remaining length of the wall to be filled by the figure? Okay, so okay, we'll see this one. First what we will write here? Total what it is? Wall length. Total wall length. So we'll write here length of the wall. Answer directly I'll write here. Length of the wall is equal to 5 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, this is the length of the wall. Okay, so length of the wall on which figure is drawn, how much she drawn. Okay, so that is length of the wall on which figure is drawn. Yes, how much it is? So that is 2 meter 20 centimeter she drawn. Okay, remaining how much is to do drawn. Yes, so remaining length here I'll write here. Remaining length of the wall on which the figure has to be drawn. Yes, so okay, how much she left out from drawing? Centimeter as it is right, we do subtract 0 minus 0, 5 minus 2 30. So same here, 5 minus 2 3 meter. Remaining length is how much is there to draw? 3 meter 30 centimeter. Understood? Yes. So students, I hope you understood this one. So next we are going as the exercise 11.4. Yes, exercise 11.4. First one they can given here. Solve the sums given below. Yes, so first one they can given here. Yes, so now we will see the first one, that is in first main solve the sums given below. Okay, so in first one 86 centimeter minus 29 centimeter. Okay, so now we will do subtract. Here see 9 is bigger, 6 is smaller. What we will do? So we take one from here, so it will become as 16. So we will take one from here. Okay, it will become as 16. Now we will be subtract 16 minus 9. How much remained here? 7. Yes. So here 7 minus 2 is 5 it remains. Okay. So first one answer is 57 centimeter. Okay. Second one we'll see here. That is 94 centimeter minus 88 centimeter. Okay. See here. First what we will do here. Here smaller number is there. Here bigger number is. So 8 can't to subtract 4. So what we will see? So it will become as 14. So 1 off we can take from here. So it will become 8. Okay. So 14 minus 8. How much it remains? It remains 6. Okay. So here 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. Yes. So we can get answer is 6 centimeter. Okay. Next third one. That is 560 centimeter minus 410 centimeter. Okay. So now we will be subtract. Okay. See 0 minus 0 0. 6 minus 1 5. 5 minus 1 5 minus 4 1. So 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter. Okay. So this is the third one. Fourth one. 269 centimeter minus 100 centimeter. Okay. So now we will do subtract from 200 to 6. See 269 to 100. Okay. So 9 minus 0 9. 6 minus 0 6. 2 minus 1 1. Okay. So answer is 169 centimeter. Yes. So next one we are going as. That is sixth one will do. 86 meter 70 centimeter. 68 meter 65 centimeter. Yes. Now we will be subtract here. See here 0, here 5 is there. So 0 is smaller than the 5. So what we will take here? We will take 1 from this side. So it will become as 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. So next one. Here 6 is there. Here 8 is there. So it will become as 16. So it will become as 7. Okay. So here 16 minus 8. How much it remains here? 16 minus 8? 8. Okay. So 8 is remains. 7 minus 6 is 1. So answer is 18 meter 5 centimeter. Okay. Next one. Next one. Seventh one will do here. 97 meter 44 centimeter minus 54 meter 32 centimeter. Okay. So now we will be do minus. 4 minus 2 2. 4 minus 3 1. Next 7 minus 4 in meter. 7 minus 4 3. 5 minus 9 minus 5 4. 43 meter 12 centimeter. Yes. Okay. Students. So last one that is will do, that is 10th one. 267 meter 87 centimeter. 167 meter 85 centimeter. Yes. Here see 7 minus 5 2. 8 minus 8 0. Okay. 7 minus 7 0. 6 minus 6 0. 2 minus 1 1. So 100 meter 2 centimeter. Yes. Understood this one? Okay. So next one we are going as, that is next main. Remaining are there in this main. You do yourself. So next we are going, that is second main. The second main is solve the following problems. Yes. So next we are going as, that is second main, solve the following. Okay. In first, in this here, first one, in a bundle of thread bundle of thread measuring a length of 450 meter. The shopkeeper sells 170 meter of thread. 170 meter of thread. Yes. What is the remaining length of the thread in the bundle? Yes. Here in a bundle of thread measuring length is how much they can be given here? 450 meter. The shopkeeper sells how much thread? 170 meter of thread. What is the remaining length of the thread in the bundle? Yes, the measuring length is, the bundle of thread length is, that is measuring thread length is how much they can given here? 450 meter. Okay, then shopkeeper sells thread. Okay, sells of shopkeeper sells thread length is how much? 170 meter. Okay, so now we will be subtract here. So 0 minus 0, 0. Here 5 is there, here 7 is there. Can't subtract here, so it will become as 50. It will become as 3. Okay, so 15 minus 7. How much it remains here? 15 minus 7. So we can get answer 8. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So here answer is 280 meter. So here remaining length of the thread is equal to 280 meter in the bundle. Okay, 280 meter. Yes, understood this one? Yes. Next one, that is second one will go. Second one, Ahmad brings a wire of length 227 meter, 70 centimeter to fence a small garden. If the wire used for fencing is 190 meter 40 centimeter, what is the remaining length of the wire with him. Yes. So here see students, Ahmad brings a wire of length. Total he brought 227 meter and 70 centimeter to fencing for a small garden. He want to do a small garden. So if the wire is used for fencing, how much? 190 meter 40 centimeter. And what is the remaining length of the wire with him? Remaining length of the wire. Okay. So total length of wire is equal to 227 meter 70 centimeter. Used for fencing, how much he used for fencing? So that is 190 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, so here, so we will subtract now here 0 minus 0, 7 minus 4, 3 is 30 centimeter. 7 as it is, here 12. Okay, so here 12 it comes, here it will become as 1. So here 12 minus 9 is equal to 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here 37 meter 30 centimeter, that is here the remaining length of the wire. Remaining length of wire. So is 37 meter 30 centimeter. Yes, understood students these? So yes, remaining are there in this main, you do yourselves. Okay. So first next one we can understanding, that is now we can see here. So 1/4 meter is equal to 25 centimeters. Okay, so mind it this one. So next 1/2 meter is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, yes. So 3/4 we can call this one. This meter is equal to 75 centimeter. Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes, so mind it here this one, that is they can given here. Yes, see students, 1/4 meter means here we can understanding, so call meter we can call this one, that's the 25 centimeter. So 1/2 meter, that is half meter, it means 50 centimeter. 3/4 meter, so we can call as a 75 centimeter. Yes, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. Half meter is equal to how much centimeter? 50 centimeter. Yes, so remember that one. Okay, so here see, using proper fundamental unit. So how to use these all? See which are the proper but it is fundamental units. To represent a length of an eraser, a length of a pencil. So here see, if you can see the find out the length of a pencil, length of an eraser, or length of a pin in meter is difficult. Length of a pin, safety pin, how we can be measured? So we can be using for meter. So it's a too long meter. Yes, so that is difficult to measure a meter. So then in which fundamental unit are used to these represented? So more easy that is. Okay, so here see, it is easy to say that is the length of all the above things to measure in centimeter. So see the measuring centimeter in your scale 0 to 15. Yes, we can be using that scale. So that is a centimeter. 0 to 1, it in between, that is we can call as that is 1 centimeter. 1 to 2, 1 centimeter. Like, so we are using these small things to measure centimeter. Yes, so in the same way, it is easy to say the length of the on side of a blackboard, that is one side of a blackboard. So this length, and also length of a breadth, height and the room. Height means breadth and height of the room and playground. So those all we will be measuring in meters. Okay, yes. So here the distance between the two places, for example, they can given here the distance between Kolar and Bangalore. The distance between Kolar and Bangalore, the distance between Kolar and Bangalore, that is easy to express in the distance in the centimeter or meter. So are we measuring in centimeter and then meter we are using to, that is from Kolar to Bangalore? No. So that purpose it is in which fundamental unit we are used to measure in the express. Okay. So measurement we can be do here. So which method we are using, which fundamental unit we are using? So that is the distance from one place to another place is expressed, that is in a kilometer. So we are using, that is kilometer. Yes, this kilometer is denoted by, so how we are writing as kilometer, like we are meter we are mentioning here. So that is denoted by m. Yes, centimeter we are denoted by, so that is denoted by cm. Like kilometer we are denoted by km, small k and small m. Yes, understood. So it means 1 kilometer is equal to, like 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. How no? Like 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Yes, 1 kilometer is equal to how much centimeter? 1000 meter. Understood? Yes. So here they can be given here. So like as 1 kilometer, see here, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Yes. So like here 1 by 4 kilometer is equal to 250 meter. Yes, remember these all. Okay. So here 1 by 2 kilometer is equal to 500 meter. Okay. So like 3 by 4 kilometer is equal to 750 meter. Yes, understood this one. So like here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here 1 by 4 kilometer is equal to 250 meter. Half kilometer is equal to 500 meter. 3/4 kilometer is equal to 3 by 4 kilometer is equal to 750 meter. Yes, understood these all? Yes. Here see students, they can be given here to estimate the measurement of length. So in many of our day-to-day life situations, you might have observed the circumstance where without expressing the actual measurement of length, so we will express a little or more, or a little more, or as a little less, that is actual length we will be measuring. What is the distance between in your school to in your house? Yes, what is the distance between the hospital to bus stand? Yes, how we will be measuring, that is a kilometer. Yes, we are using, that is a unit is kilometer. Yes, it's possible to answer the questions without measuring the distance. So are you tell me that without measuring you can guess and tell me how much distance is from your house to school? Yes, so we are measuring, like they can be given here, the exercise 11.1, fill up the blanks with estimate distance from your house to place. It means house or place. So here to the post office, in your house to post office how much kilometer is there? So you can be mentioned here, fill in the blanks, they can be given here. Next one, to the government hospital. So to the government hospital, in your house to government hospital how much distance is there, how much kilometer is there? Okay. The next one, to Bangalore, to your place. So Gadag to Bangalore, how much difference is there? So kilometers, how much kilometer is there? So it can be mentioned all here. Okay students, so they can given here another one. So estimate the distance between the place length of the user using suitable unit the given in the tabular column, they can be given here. Length of pencil, how we will be measuring? In centimeter we are measure, or as in meter we are measuring, or in a kilometer. That is a very small, no, that is pencil. So it's a pencil is very small, so this pencil we are used to measuring, that is centimeter we are using to measure. Yes. Height of the wall of your classroom, height of the wall of your classroom, how it is? It's centimeter we are using, or meter we are using, or kilometer we are using? We are using meter. Yes. Yes. Next, length of one side of your mathematics textbook. So your math textbook, one side of math textbook. So here length of, so we are using to measure this one scale, that is centimeter. Okay. Next one, distance from your village town to the next village. So your village to next village, or your place to another next, which place it comes. Okay. So that is distance. So we'll be measuring in a kilometer. Yes. Yes. Distance between your classroom and the school kitchen. Yes. So classroom to school kitchen we are used to measure meter. Yes. Yes students, I hope you understood this lesson. So the lesson is completed. So next we'll start, that is the new chapter, that is measurement weight. Okay. Thank you for watching.